Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make text bounce in CapCut PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make text bounce in CapCut PC. When you are in CapCut, click the text tab. After that, you see here default text, click in the plus icon. Now just type the text, and after that you can change the font. Okay, maybe this one, and here you can change the font size. After that, click animation, and then make sure is in. After that, just scroll down until you found bounce in. Just click on it, and here you can change the duration. Here it's 0.5, but if you want to make it longer, okay, maybe 1 second. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to make text bounce in CapCut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.